famous Lalu Siola just behind us over there is open again. After 2 years, over 2 years of the closure, is open again. And we are today in Petit Tenget Beach in Seminyak. So this is the Petit Tenget Beach in Seminyak. There's like a group of the people, I think they are doing some sort of like a charter leasing or something like that. As nowadays it's very popular, and meanwhile the situation by the beach, some tourists sunbathing. And at the front, just next to Lalu Siola, is Maya Hotel, which is pretty nice hotel in general in Seminyak.
So yeah, I think that one of our viewers used to stay here in the Samaya Hotel. So this is for you guys. I think that they will come back again, yeah, in December. So we can't wait to see you again. So yeah, we will stroll around, you know, to walk to the Seminyak Hotel, and then I think that we will walk to the area of Kudeta Beach Club. So yeah, for those of you who want to see how's the Kudeta also, so yeah, let's check this out.
Overall, just another day in Bali, and we have like an afternoon walk on the beach. This is one of the most popular things what you can do in Bali, basically having a chill walking by the beach if you are tired of going to the nightclubs or bars, sports bars, or sitting in the resort or something like that. The beach waiting for you. Meanwhile, there will be beautiful sunset today, I think. Nowadays the sunsets in Bali are very nice.
Yeah, just like the previous videos, I think that I already mentioned this month, I think that's the best time to come to Bali because of the beautiful sunset, bright blue sky.
Here next to the hotels, actually between the hotels there is like a local bars, vendors where you can have a sunbed and grab some beer or coconut or something like this. This is very good alternative to the, if you don't want to go to the club or you don't want to stay in the hotel, you can always enjoy the local vibe between the very popular tourist spots actually, so why not? And then at the front you have a legendary Kudeta Day Club, Beach Club, one of the first beach clubs in Bali, maybe even the first one actually. I don't remember the story, but definitely one of the first ones. Very legendary place, and seems like it's very busy as well. Once we were there inside, so you can watch the older videos if you're interested, guys. So over there, the next one after the Kudeta will be the Oberoi Hotel, also one of the first and the oldest hotels here in Seminyak. And then after that there will be like a gap with empty land, and there will be Double Six Beach and the Legian and Kuta, and you can walk up to Tuban to Kuta basically. So yeah, meanwhile, that's how it looks like.
So what do you think about the tourists here, honey?
They seems like they chill, just walking with the bintang in their hand, and then they enjoying their life. So what should I say? If you guys coming and enjoying the life, that's good. This guy trying to sell them something, so walking with them very fast actually. So Bali life, guys, Bali life.
I buy kacang ya?
Okay. So there is the beautiful sunset. We got some our lemon beer, and the doggo is somewhere here. This is like a local vibe here, and like I said, there is the like clubs, there are resorts, but you can find still local one when the local people just selling coconuts, few beers, cola, very affordable prices, so you can enjoy your time, right?
Yeah. So we will watch beautiful sunset later on, and then we'll just enjoying the Bali sunset, because this time, like I mentioned, the best time to watch sunset.
Exactly. It's also time for me to fly in a drone, show you a little bit from the different perspective.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no
Okay guys, when we walk on the beach and beautiful couple just say hi to us. Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, Shane.
So Shane's from
Perth.
Perth, Australia. Do you want to say something maybe to your brother?
Just hi to everyone back home. Hi, Wayne and Dean and everyone who watches the videos, and Big Wayne as well. Percy.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Thank you and enjoy your holiday in Bali.
Yeah, thank you very much.